welcome to my store. Okay, so part 2. Now, these are Texas cichlids. They do come from Texas.
Kind of look like...
oh yeah, they've been fighting in the bag.
They kind of look like...
Jack Dempsey?
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot similar. They're greener, but if you look at the small one...
No, I wasn't talking about that. I was talking about the Hat Valley... the electric zoo Jack Dempsey. Yeah, those.
Yeah, but they're Texas cichlids.
They look almost like...
Okay, well anyhow, they're going to go in with the, what are going to go with? Red Devils. Texas Red Devils, good times. These are orange chromides, or yellow chromides, or red chromides. Everybody calls them different. They're also brackish water fish. They're in freshwater right now. We'll switch them over later. Go down in there. These are true upside down catfish. They will swim upright, like you can see that one guy, but they spend a lot of their time upside down. They eat organisms from the surface. So they have their coloring changed so that their top is dark and their bottom is light, so that when you look up you see the silhouette.
Boy, I'm going to have a lot of changes due on my list.
And they can go in with the angels. Oh, these are additions. We're not making you change them. That would mean
that means I have to rewrite it. That's what I mean.
Well,
put away the damsels now. I want to see them.
Yeah. Enough with the freshwater. We want saltwater.
Okay, these are saltwater damsels that Mike had that got a little too mean for his liking. So somehow they became...
Oh, I can see why.
Okay, this is a honey damsel. They have a honey colored tail, but they're brown. You could float that in the tank up there. Put them in the middle, in the long 40. No, the long 40.
The one with that clownfish.
The one where there's nothing in it.
Except for one baby.
One baby clownfish.
These are domino damsels. When they are small, they are so cute, and when they get big, they're not so cute anymore.
I think they look cute.
Well, they're not too big yet. When they're 4 inches, the black is grayish, the white is grayish. Is there anything in that long 40? No? Okay.
There used to be a little clownfish.
Yeah, did you take the clownfish out?
Yeah. Hold them. Okay. Now, this is Sri Lanka. Okay, if you go on this side, then you don't get the glare from the
light
metal halide. Now, this is where it's like Christmas. We know what we ordered. We know what was on the list to Santa. We just don't know what Santa sent.
Or if what Santa sent is still alive.
You're making Santa sound bad. Santa's a killer.
Well, you're the one that brought up Santa.
Yeah, but you were the one that brought up the murderous Santa. These are ice packs, actually. They put them in there because in Sri Lanka it's warm. Okay, give me some white buckets.
Let me just look at them later and I'll just put mine in the buckets over here.
Well, if you put yours in buckets, and I put some in buckets, and...
I'm going to look at them later.
Well, because we're getting a few of each. We got some pink starfish, we got some mottled starfish. That's the ones that are red. I don't know what they're all called, but they may be called all just pink. I think that's all I've seen on the invoice. Okay, sea cucumber. Okay. Bucket goes flying. We have excitement. Just living it up at the ranch. Yeehaw! I make it a ranch? No. Good time.
I have fish over here.
You have fish? What's the white topping?
Up there.
Oh, there they are.
I have those already.
Don't you have brittle stars?
Can I put the damsel and this right together?
No.
Okay.
That's Disparanthius. He's nowhere near as mean as those damsels. And remember, the damsels are for mites.
No, they're not.
Oh, what damsels are you talking about?
The longer yellowtail blue.
Which one? Oh, those ones. Oh, okay. No.
Oh, I figured to ask you there. You told me that.
Oh, okay. Then why'd you ask? Your son looks good. No. Oh no, he's still alive. Okay. We were sad for a moment there. Really sad. It's a powder blue tank.
It's massive.
For a powder blue, yeah.
You just dumped all that dirty water in my bucket.
Oops.
It wasn't really dirty water, it was mud.
Whoa.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Can't really tell because the red is showing up too much on the camera. But
Well, we'll put the other one in here for the first bed.
What's that one?
Another powder blue.
I don't like the way they pack their tail.
What don't you like about it?
The bag's so curled up.
everything's sticking to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
How come they're on their side?
Little stressed, son, little stressed.
They've been moving around a lot. They've been on an airplane, probably.
Shaky, shaky, bouncy, bouncy, you know. The technical terms.
So technical.
Oh, you know me, I like to be exact.
I already have those.
Yeah, I know, I'm going to dump these into yours after I'm done dumping them into here. Water's water.
Okay, we're getting on 750 here.
Okay, so that's the end of part 2, and we'll see you in a moment for part 3.